SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to clear history on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to clear the history on your iPhone 14, you need to start by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and you can select the Safari option from this menu. You can then scroll down again and then tap the Clear History and Website Data button. Then you can tap Clear History and Data to confirm. You can then choose the Close Tabs or Keep Tabs option, depending on whether or not you would like Safari to close out any open tabs that you currently have. And now you'll see that the Clear History and Website Data button is grayed out, meaning that you have no history or website data to clear.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.